Our topic is belongs to second year, second unit topic, fundamental duties. The fundamental duties was incorporated from the our Indian Constitution in fourth part 51A article. Okay, the 51A article was gives information to fundamental duties. In 1950, in our constitution, we don't have the fundamental duty. In the emergency period, 1976, 42 amendment, Swaran Singh committee was made to fundamental duties to the our Indian constitution. So, in 1976, we have the 10 fundamental duties. In the 86 amendment 2002, we added the 11th duty. The 11th duty belongs to the 6 to 14 years child must be have a free education system. So, in our Indian constitution, now we have totally 11 fundamental duties. So, every citizen must be depending on fundamental duties. The fundamental duties was gives responsibility to the citizens of India. So, what are our fundamental duties? No. So, first fundamental duty is to obey to the constitution, respect of our national anthem and our national flag. Second duty belongs to follow the noble ideas which incorporated in national movement. Okay, third duty belongs to uphold, protect the sovereignty and unity, integrity of India. Next, fourth one belongs to dedicated to the country and randall to the national service we call upon to do. It means when the emergency of situation of Indian constitution, then every citizen must be participation of that emergency persons. Next, fifth one to promote the spirit common birthhood the people of India, religious, linguistic, religious. It means we don't have any inequalities belongs to our language, our culture and our religious. Next belongs to sixth one, to value and preserve the culture. It means we compulsory give value of our culture. Next one belongs to protect the nature and environment and forest and animals. It means when we give protection to our national animals and our national environment, then we have peaceful of the society. Next one belongs to develop to scientific temper in the humanistic and the spirit. Next one belongs to the safeguards of public property. It means we don't damage our public property because we use our property. Next one belongs to strive all individuals collective activity to the nation. It means we actively participation of the progress of the nation. Next one belongs to provide education belongs to between 6 to 14 years child. It means they don't have any families, they don't work any companies, so we protect the children's belongs to their life. So every human being must be depending on the 11 duties we are incorporated in our Indian constitution.